Yo, dude, you gotta come look at it up here.
Dude, I can't believe we actually got it.
Yo, this is Coptool
Studios. Dude, this is where they drink that fake coffee.
Yo, look at their ah, my arm. Yo,
you're all right.
Look at this is where all the magic. Look at it, it's crazy down here. Unbelievable.
Oh my god.
Yo,
dude, check it out.
Like this. Hi, I'm Scott. What? Oh, look at the way. Oh, look. And today, Vince is going to put on his battery and do a review.
There's no coffee in this mug.
This is tasty.
No coffee. Keep it classy, San Diego.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Whoa, whoa.
What are you doing here?
We were just looking
Get
around.
out of here!
Just,
I'm gonna have to clean this whole place up.
Last Friday, the Coptool studios were overrun by the merrymakers from VCG Construction and Tool Review Zone, where they finally concluded weeks of trash talk, facing off on a neutral site to prove once and for all which is better, Milwaukee M18 or Rigid Octane. Tool Test Raw, as it was later dubbed, brought out the best in our two competitors, but only one victor would emerge. And even though he arrived injured, Vince from VCG took home the belt. Congratulations on the big win, Vinny, and best of luck next time to Clint from TRZ. Funny, the whole time I thought you two were battling over the Wi-Fi signal.
The battle is over, but the war rages on. Both VCG and TRZ posted new content this week. VCG pitted Dewalt against Milwaukee in a comparison of SDS Max rotary hammers by drilling into a bucket of concrete. If that's not enough excitement for you, Clint from Tool Review Zone posted his Dewalt versus Makita tool duel of competing worm drive rear handle saws. While these two tool titans continue to battle each other out, the rest of us get to enjoy the resulting comparos. You can find them at VCG Construction and Tool Review Zone on YouTube.
Pro Tool Reviews is toying with another format this week. This time, Kenny steals a page from the AVE playbook, shooting entirely in first person while leaving out the Canadian slang and profanity-laced dialogue. Kenny takes a comparative look at the Milwaukee and Makita circular saws to see which comes out on top. Kenny details the features, layout, and ergonomics of both saws, but for some reason stops short of actually turning them on. He makes a strong case for choosing either saw, then tells us that a complete review is forthcoming at ProToolReviews.com, including performance testing data, so be sure to look for that soon.
Too late, Dewalt. I'm tired of your veiled promises of a jigsaw with a proper barrel grip. And now I don't have to wait, because Milwaukee just told me I can buy their new barrel grip on November, 2 months sooner than yours. The M18 Fuel Barrel Grip Jigsaw is finally here, sporting the same impressive specs as its D-handle counterpart, first showcased at MPS 18. And guess what? You can order yours today at OhioPowerTool.com, just like me. If you lack a jigsaw and taste, you can settle for the inferior D-handle model. Toolbox Buzz just reviewed it on their YouTube channel. But as you watch it, remember, true love waits for barrel grip. Oh, wow, I can't use that word. I should rewrite that.
Too late! In other actual tool news, Hitachi hosted their own media day this week, launching a number of new updates to their Metabo HPT North American tool lineup. In addition to the excitement surrounding their new multi-volt battery platform, we were most excited to see the 7.5-inch sliding miter saw, built in Japan, as seen here at Toolaholic on Instagram. We also love seeing Mechanical Hub test out the new reciprocating saw and Tools by Design demonstrating the new table saw. What's great about these new Metabo HPT tools is the option of operating in corded or battery mode, demonstrated here by Kruger Construction. You can scour Instagram to find these updates on your own, or, like a modern internet user, check out the hashtag MetaboHPTLaunch on Instagram for all the latest updates.
Dewalt just announced a new vacuum that checks all the boxes for those working with the dangers of silica dust. This cordless solution runs on the Dewalt FlexVolt platform, features wireless remote control, a Table 1 compliant filter cleaning mechanism, and a full 125 CFM to work with the 5-inch grinders, tuck pointers, and concrete cutters. It's even got a HEPA filter and fits into Dewalt's T-Stack storage system. So if you're keeping score at home, this T-Stack system can now stack a cooler, stereo, and a vacuum all in one travel system. And you thought Ryobi was a leader in compatible lifestyle products. Think again.
Dirt Monkey got all cleaned up for a sneak peek at the new 2019 Stihl outdoor power equipment lineup. Recorded inside the Virginia-based Stihl factory, Dirt shows us new chainsaws, backpack blowers, battery-powered tools, lawnmowers, concrete saws, and more, some of which will be available in late 2018 and on into 2019. What stood out the most? Stihl now has tool attachments that worked on both their gas-powered tools as well as with that new battery backpack. Go let Stihl blow your own mind by checking out Dirt Monkey on YouTube.
Well, we're now 5 episodes deep into Skill Builder's self-proclaimed plunge saw season, as 5 different track saws have been reviewed by the dashing and knowledgeable British duo of Roger and Robin. This week, the Mafel cordless model is up for review, and as usual, the guys at Skill Builder know exactly which features are the most important to their audience. We were impressed with the level of expertise, with one exception. How did neither of them point out that the Mafel ships in the hollow shell of an HP inkjet printer? Seems like a big oversight, fellas. You can learn more about this top-of-the-line Mafel, as well as past episodes for the Festool, Bosch, Bauer, and Makita models at Skill Builder on YouTube.
Ridge's marketing department has been taken over by some idiot like me who got a vice president drunk at a conference wet bar for the approval of some harebrained idea. Exhibit A. Ridge shared a Pac-Man themed animation where a Ridge Vac sucks up all the dirt ghosts as it makes its way around a game board shaped like the Vac itself. Trippy. And second, this commercial where a young man uses his rigid vacuum to suction things over to his lazy couch session, including pizza, a beverage, cheese puffs, the remote, and of course the cat for a serious snuggle session. Maybe retro video games and cat videos are what Ridge thinks is next in digital marketing, but I'm not so sure that this is the best method of convincing millennials to buy your tools. But what do I know? I suggested this show.
Sarah's back again with her project of the week, and this time it's no she shed. Take it away, Sarah.
Thanks, Rob. This week's projects tackle unexpected romance, playful stabbing, and a dollhouse for rescue mutts. First up is Essential Craftsman, who teamed up with the very talented Cy Swan. Cy blacksmiths his way right into my heart with this amazingly detailed steel rose. And with a name like Cy Swan, I shouldn't have been surprised. Check it out at Essential Craftsman on YouTube. Next, we venture back to the Epic Workshop, where our favorite Croatian craftsman has been very busy creating epic pirate cutlasses entirely made out of wood. The process has such a profound effect on the craftsman that at the end, he morphs into a pirate himself. You'll love the time-lapse video of his detailed process at Epic Workshop on YouTube. And finally, our last project of the week comes to us from Jimmy DiResta, whose fun doghouse project has more detail than the dollhouse that I played with as a kid. These dogs have it so good. If you love tiny craftsmanship, as well as dogs in general, go check out DiResta's video in the links below. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Sarah. That's going to do it for our 30th episode.
Now, don't forget to visit Coptool.com/contest to enter our Milwaukee M18 Backpack Vac giveaway, sponsored by Mechanical Hub, Milwaukee, and of course, Coptool.
And fall is here, and that means it's chainsaw time. We've got some new chainsaw videos coming out this month, so be sure to subscribe now so you don't miss a thing.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.